What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. This is the Vermihut Plus. It's Worm Wednesday, and we're going to go ahead and hop in and see how this is looking. I'm still seeing a lot of the fresh bedding, which I kind of like to see. I'll get a chance to incorporate that, and then also check where this feeding was, which was in the middle. Bunch of fresh bedding still. See some seeds. Oh, here's my pumpkin stem. Oh yeah, it's getting softer each time. Oh, I think this was the hardneck garlic and some roots. That'll have to go back to the middle section. Here's that darn paper from the basket that we won. It seems to be breaking down, so I'm just going to keep mixing it in, and we'll see when I finally go to harvest if I am collecting a bunch of that out or not. I think I'll definitely be more careful in the future with it. That's another stalk or stem from the hardneck garlic. Here's another piece. Okay, let's go ahead and do a fluffing. They handled that feeding pretty well again. Another stem, another stem, another stem. Okay. The last few times I've added a bunch of bedding, and I think that's really helping out. I do have more bedding for them. Then I'll add all those pieces of the stems and the pumpkin stem and the hardneck garlic stems, giving them a nice large handful. Mango skins, kale stems, carrot peels, and then the pulped versions of them. Here's a piece of lemon or lime. To that, I'm going to add two types of grit. I have my ground up azomite, and then my ground up eggshells. I went ahead and did 2 grits as some seasoning for this. We got a nice fresh watermelon from the store, and I went ahead, cut it, and left a little bit of meat on there for the boys. So drop that in there, and then I'll go ahead and cover this up. So this has a nice big mound right now. Hopefully on the next feeding it'll flatten out as all those food scraps continue to break down. And I want to give a shout out to Ann over at Plant Obsessed. I keep seeing hers, and she went ahead and inspired me to kind of make my own. The only thing is, I think these are just a little too big. They're 2 3/4 inches high. I'm probably going to have to take them down to maybe 2 1/2, 2 1/4. But I had on hand an 11-inch piece of PVC, so I figured if I cut it, exactly in quarters, that's what I got, was the 2 3/4 out of it. So that'll be my next project, to get those installed, because the weight from these upper bins is really compressing the lower trays of this system. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to drop them down in the comments. Thanks for coming along, checking out this video. Everybody have a great day.